What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to add a poll to your Snapchat story. Now, in order to do this, you actually have to use an outside website, but it makes it super easy. I use strawpoll.com and I'd highly recommend it. You don't have to create an account or anything. You could just see the results of your poll really quickly. So when you get to the page, there's just going to be a button, the first button that says create a poll. And once you create it, you could just choose your title, which is the question that you're going to want to ask for your poll. You could also make a description if you'd like under that to describe why you're asking it or any other information that you want to give the person that you're polling, but I don't really feel like I need this, so I'm just going to leave it blank. For your answers, you could add as many different answers as you'd like. You could also paste in the answers if you have an answer that's long or something that you've already typed out. There's also different settings where you can make it private if you only want the people that you've linked to, or if you want the voters to enter their name. There's also another option. You could either choose the browser section duplication check or the IP address duplication check. The difference is the browser. If you're on the same browser, you'll be able to vote only one time per browser, but you could just go on like from your phone to your computer and change that if you'd like. But with the IP address check, you only get one vote per IP. So even if you were in the same house as, like, let's say your brother, for example, you'd only be able to vote once. It really depends on what kind of poll you're running, but they both work equally as well. So now once you're onto Snapchat, you're just going to create the photo. I just use a black screen. Most people do a black screen for their polls. And then you're going to hit the link button. It should be like the fifth one down there. And you could just add your link and attach it to the Snapchat, and you're going to see there that there is a graphic there, as well as if you swipe up on the Snapchat itself, you'll be able to get to the website and people will be able to vote on your poll. And from here, you could just post it to your story, or if you want to send it to individual people if you'd like, you could do that as well. If you have any questions or were confused, be sure to leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.